Hello class and welcome to Learning Module 16. This week we'll finish up our discussion with databases. The big assignment this week will be completing a database case study. So what I'd like you to do is, and the good news is this is your only assignment for the week. But it is worth 25 points, so you'll definitely want to do this. So the first thing you'll do is read and familiarize yourself with the database normalization PowerPoint, and then watch the database normalization video where you'll hear me going over the PowerPoint. The next thing you're going to do is take a database quiz. This is 5 questions, 5 points, no time limit, and you can take this exam 2 times. Again, none of this material is in the book. All of this material will come out of the database normalization PowerPoint. Once you complete that, I would like you to watch another video that discusses how to take an Excel flat database, a worksheet, and then decompose that down into several different worksheets. You can also review the final Excel decomposition file, and then that will be, and then after completing that, then you'll want to watch the how-to for the MS Access case study. So this will be how you'll do the case study. If you go into the MS Access version, you'll see that you have to, here's the directions, and then you have to download the Access file and the Excel append files, and you'll be taking the sheets and the Excel files and appending that to the Access files. There's also an alternative way to do this exercise, and that's using OpenOffice. With OpenOffice, there's directions and there's just the base file. That's what they call, instead of Access, they call the database program in OpenOffice base. For this one, you actually don't have to do any of the imports. However, the how-to video is going to be based on Access. So persons completing the alternative OpenOffice case study will be able to get the gist of the exercise by watching this MS Access case study video. There's some differences between Access versus OpenOffice, but the OpenOffice instructions provide the correct procedures. After completing either the Microsoft version or the OpenOffice version of the case study, you'll then submit that in this submission block right here. Note, you only have to complete either the Access version or the OpenOffice version. Do not complete both. And then also I've included the week 17 assignment for the Pong game, so that you can, if you want to take get a jump on that, you may. So the Pong game will be officially assigned next week, and then next week you'll do the Pong game as well as a final exam, and the final exam will cover chapters 6 through 10, as well as the database file that we have, or the database normalization PowerPoint here. All right, well, have a great week, and if you have any questions, by all means, just give me a holler. All right, take care, everybody. Have a great week. Bye.